tune. Woke it right up, dude. Now, we got to get it on the dyno. We're going to have to get it on the dyno. Well, I'm about to wash it off. We're going to have to get it on the dyno and get that clutch dialed in for those tires. But, yeah, the tune definitely woke it up. We'll just have to fine tune some more, so be ready. All right, guys, well, we got our buggy all set up and sort of dialed in. I'm going to get it on the dyno and get the clutching dialed in for these super tiny tires. These are 26s, so they're smaller than what comes stock on these. And I'm still running the clutching with the 32s, which makes it a little on the slow side. So it definitely can and will be faster than what you just seen. We're going to get it dialed in on the dyno, and then we're going to give it a couple more rips and see what we can do. We also need to pull a little bit more RPM out of her. She's not up in the RPMs like I want it to be with these super small tires. The clutch is just working way too fast, and it's not pulling the RPMs like I want it to. So we're going to do that and dial it in, and yeah, she's be ready for the racetrack. We're going to do the test and tune day, April 28th at Joe's Speedway, and then we're going to be at every single race event from there on out, because those events are actually in between our off-road events. So if you guys want to see this thing, like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I know this isn't a very long video, but we've been working on this on and off for a little while now, and finally it's to a point where it's ready to hit the dyno and get the clutches dialed in for exactly what we want, and then just have to do a little more test and tune. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. God bless. If you like what you see, definitely smash that like, share, and subscribe button. Click that bell so you don't miss anything. We're going to have this thing loaded out with cameras from the inside all the way to the outside, and then we're going to have big cameras all around the park to hopefully get this thing in action and racing, and let's see if we can win some stuff. I have no idea who or what we're going to be up against. I do know we're racing in the Pro Mod stuff, which is there's some YXZ 1000s in there and a few other things. I think even some turbo machines. So we'll see what we can do. We'll see if she holds her own, and that's what this is all about, seeing what CFMOTO is all about. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out. God bless.